Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, this one we need to change by u. 3x squared plus 1 dx we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.